Okay. Buy a fruit bar. Okay. Buy a fruit bar.
Why?
I'm raising money for my scout troop. Buy a fruit bar.
I don't want a fruit bar.
Okay, you can have one.
No, wait, no, I don't. Okay.
Hey guys, come see what I got.
It's gonna be a bucket.
Maybe it won't be.
It's gonna be a bucket.
Look what I got from the bucket hut.
You bought another bucket.
I told you.
This one's really special. I'll tell you about it.
Ooh, I gotta take this call. Hello? Oh, hey!
I know you're just talking into a fruit bar.
Just tell me about your bucket.
Okay. It's magnetic.
Whoa! Who knew we had the technology?
Yeah.
Hey, she's coming. Here she comes.
What? Who's come? Oh, man.
Go talk to her.
Who, Bianca?
Yeah, you know you like her. Yeah.
But Henry likes Chloe.
He's not gonna see Chloe for months.
How come?
She's doing that reality show, Kids in the Woods.
What's it about?
Kids in the Woods.
Oh, great title.
Ooh, look, Bianca's alone.
Okay. I'm going in.
You didn't talk to her.
I let my eyes do the talking.
Yeah, and they said,
Hey guys, what's the poops?
We're all gonna die.
What?
you're not gonna die.
You're indestructible.
We're all gonna die.
Well, it's still bad for me. Who am I gonna talk to when you're all dead?
Whoa! What is going on here?
That.
What is that?
That is a super volcano. 50 miles below.